Okay, let's go.
Kyle, you watch him, huh?
Game clock on. Score, yes, 2, home, 0.
Green ball.
Green ball.
Don't forget that.
Score, yes, 2, home, 3. Score, yes, 5, home, 3.
Ground. 2, 3,
Score, yes, 5, home, 5.
Then you make mistake, pressure there. Mark, anak ko, laki na, no?
Kapan ba yan?
Oh!
Score, yes, 7, home, 5.
Pinatato mo lang na nakaraan, nagkirahan na. May kampal, laki na. Yung pot ko lang noon yun ah.
Ano? Yan,
Score, yes,
mag-score,
7,
magkapera.
home, 7.
Welcome, salat ka.
Ayaw. Basta win, you know?
Score, yes, 7, home, 9. No foul. Number 12. Home player number 12. Foul number 1. Score, guest, 8, home, 9.
We made it again. This person's foul.
Home player number 12. Foul number 2.
It's only one.
Score, guest, 8, home, 11. Score, guest, 10, home, 11.
We're 17.
Home player number 17, foul number 1.
Ulit? 3 points. Oh, that's
Score, guest, 13, home, 11.
dang, Nico.
Score, guest, 13, home, 13.
Depende ba? Kaya niyo mag-discuss siguro, no? Rebound. Rebound. Number what? Personal foul.
Guest player number 20, foul number 1.
Richard! Buwasak ba? Hindi, no? Rebound. Rebound ba yun? Well. No.
Score, guest, 13, home, 15.
Go, Chris.
Score, guest, 15, home, 15. Score. Guest 15. Home 18.
Patay. Rebound yun, di ba?
Rebound.
Defensive rebound.
Pink card.
Score. Guest 18. Home 18.
Come on, Dwayne.
Get down, get down, get down!
Pala kami dalawang max. Ako na lang mag-ilisa ng mga rebound, no? Pag kami dalawa. Ako na lang mag-ilisa ng mga... Time out.
Game clock off.
Time out. Green time out. Minus.
Home timeout. One timeout left.
Nasa kultang natin. Hindi ko nasa kultang pasiplig kami.
Baka ikaw ang swerte. Baka ikaw ang swerte. Tapos sila pa nag-champion.
Alam mo, mamaya, i-accept namin yung blue.
Hindi mo masabi.
Ulit, ano muna? Wala muna siya.
Talo sila mata. Sa wapi mo yan.
Di ba kanina ba pagula? Kaninang bola?
Green, dapat sa green eh. Green, sa green ang bola.
Green bola. Last touch. Last touch by Silver Team.
Game clock off. Guest player number 12. Foul number 1. Score. Guest 18. Home 19. Score. Guest 18. Home 20.
Dapat ganun kayo rebound niya. Patay.
Score. Guest 21. Home 20. Score, guest, 24, home, 20. Score, guest, 24, home, 22.
Red ball, red ball.
Big ball, big ball. Shot, shot.
Ball in.
Yeah, Chris.
Last is ball number 2.
Score, guest, 26, home, 22. Score, guest, 28, home, 22.
Nakita eh. Number 6 ang assist, number 6.
Yes, 28, home, 25.
Yeah.
Score, yes, 31, home, 25.
Wait.
Score, yes, 31, home, 27.
Still. Oh. Still in the right.
Right, yeah, don't get up. Yeah, you know he called his time out of his time. Okay, ball in.
Patay. Hello?
Score, yes, 34, home, 27.
Points, number 12.
Score, yes, 34, home, 29.
Ay. Patay.
Score, yes, 37, home, 29.
Di ba yun? Bakit?
White tip. 2.
Guest player number 2, foul number 1.
Technical yan.
Ang palit eh. 16.
Score, yes, 37, home, 30. Score, yes,
Swerte kayo si
40,
ano ah.
home, 30.
Rebound number 2. Rebound ba? 12? Defensive rebound. Si Brian. Number 12.
Stop.
Brian na naman. Bye. Chris.
Score, guest 42, home 30. Game clock off.
Wait, almost.
Guest timeout. One timeout left.
O ano?
Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All in.
Game clock off.
Utak ni Manu eh. Patay, Brian na naman.
Score, guest 42, home 32.
Number 12.
Personal foul, right?
Home player number 12, foul number 3.
Wait! Ilan ba yan?
Very good.
Deng! Igo, ayop! 15.
Score, guest 42, home 34.
Side.
Score, guest 45, home 34.
Second half. First lang. Dapat ipenta mo sa kanya. Kanina yung card. Wala ba kung tutorial sa YouTube? Para mag-tutorial na. Ano watch na yung tutorial sa YouTube? Yan, mag-respond ka na ha. Mag-respond ka na ha. Yung card, parang picture card. Kala ko nakakampanya.
Ayaw mo po. Ito yan. Ito, di ba?
May 20 lang talaga yun. Iko, sabi mo si Iko, tatlo na siya ha? Tatlo na. Ayaw. Pamagtong sa asawa ko yan. Hap! 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 Kape! May dala akong kape eh. Max, may kape mo sayang. Dala akong kape.
Back to the ball game.
Game clock off.
King, better three, but miss, is down by Casanova. Chilmani. Pass to Brian, number 12 to Casanova. Casanova, yes sir! Got a foul. Nice break by Casanova. The ball is shot.
Score. Yes. 47. Home. 34.
10-pound card.
Home player number 15. Foul number 1.
Binubusog ka na ng ito ah.
Oh. Through the shot in.
Yes. 48. Home. 34.
Hindi, wag ka mukha lang.
Number 12, pass to number 6, 43. Oh, in a round. Second ball.
Okay, Advent. Max, may kapatid ba yan? Kapatid, di ba? Wrestling eh. Ang nga, wrestling pang king pala yun. Di ba?
Again, to number 6. Number 6. Oh! Rebound by number 20. Pass to the Sarah.
Traveling. Double.
Trouble in violation. Sidle, inbounder, number 12, pass to number 15. Number 15 to Nico. Number 17. Oh, get a foul. Loose foul, number 6. Number 69. Foul.
Guest player number
First
6.
personal
Foul
foul.
number
Nico.
1.
Stop the clock.
Stop the clock.
Game clock off.
Okay.
Game clock off.
Kasi yun ako sabi. Naintindihan ko lang, stop the clock.
First win.
Score. Guest 48. Home.
Casanova.
35.
Number 10 in. Chris. Another in by
Score.
Santa
Guest
Ana. Nico.
48. Home. 36.
Santos to Brian. Brian number 12 back to Santos. To Bunny. 7. Again, left out of Money to Chris. Chris. To Nico. Number 6. Pass. Yes, the ball by Nico. That's the number 12. Number 2. Again, nice play. Oh, nice combination by 19. He got 2 points, number 6. Points to Manny.
48. Home.
Ronnie.
38.
Ooh, in a round. Rebound number 12.
Rebound number 12.
Number 12. Pass. Oh, no. No basket, no basket. Get a foul. Get a foul. Number
Home
12.
player number 12. Foul number 4.
Third personal foul. Number 12. Oh, subdivision. Red. Number 6 out. Number 16 in. Nick at the Chris. To Ryan.
Still, number 12.
Number 2 to number 16. Nice combination. Yes, sir. Got him 2 points. Number 16.
Score. Guest 48. Home 40.
Green ball. Again, Chris. Pass to Santos. To Nico. Nice Nico. Oh, in a row. Rebound by Brian. Pass. Oh. Second. And bowler Luis De Santos. Santos. And Seba.
Same point.
And bowler of the ball pass to Luis. Number 10. Whoa! Wow! Jesus! Foul number 16. Time out.
Game clock off.
Time out, green.
Do not test it, alright? It's the playoffs. Do not test it. I'm telling you guys.
Wait.
Have a good game.
Home timeout. One timeout left.
I
Hey
can't.
guys, remember the rules, guys. Remember the rules.
Ang pulse dito kasi kagabi, intense game yan.
Minutes, 59 seconds, and a second quarter. Score 48-40. Two shot, number 10.
Walo lang yun, oh.
Pursuing.
Score. Guest 49. Home 40.
Miss the second one. Nico. The ball number 12. Nico again. 2.
Score, yes, 49, home, 42. 14.
Oh, nice shot by Chris, number 10, 2 points. Again, Nico, from the ball.
That boss.
Score, yes, 51, home, 42.
Three shot.
1-6. Block. 3 shots.
Foul, Nico.
Yes. That's not foul.
Yes, player number 6, foul number 2.
Kanina pa ako dito ah. Mas pa naman, gising na ako. Malalang siya maaga.
Yes, 51, home, 43.
Another win.
Score, yes, 51, home, 44.
80-20, mainit pa.
Another win. 3
Score,
points.
yes, 51, home, 45.
Nico.
Foul, paulin mo.
Foul. Foul number 18.
Home player number 18, foul number 1.
First personal foul, number 18. Personal miss.
Ikaw bola. 3-point bola.
48-7. Second shot E.
Score, yes,
Nico, 1
home, 45.
Number 6. Press the key. Miss. Rebound by Santos. Rani. Rani moving on the ball. Oh, nice shot by Rani. Got 2 points, number 4.
Score, yes,
Yeah, number
54,
12.
home, 45.
Dribble in the ball. Pass to number 6. Number 6 to Nico. Nico. Miss.
Number 17.
Score, yes, 54, home,
2 points, number
47.
12. Again, Manny. To Nico. Nico. Oh! What a move. He got a foul.
Yes,
Basket.
56, home, 47.
Foul number 18. Gayon.
Home player number
Second personal foul, number 18.
2.
Mainit ka lang yun, mainit.
Finish it.
Kasantin mo eh. 5-1.
Pang-playoff ka pa.
1-6.
Foul. 6.
Yes, player number 6,
Third
foul
personal
number
foul, number
3.
6.
Sayang ngayon.
And a steal by Brian again. The two-time steal of Manny. Yes, sir. Number 4 to Royce.
Score.
Again, rebound by Santos to Manny.
Home.
Pass to
47.
Brian. To Prince for the three basket. We got a 2-point shot by Bruce,
Guest
number
61.
10.
Home. 47.
Again, number 12 to King. 3 points. Number 19.
Score.
Alright.
Guest 61. Home. 50.
Number 10, Chris. Pass to Nico. Foul number 6. Short personal foul, Nico.
Guest player number 6. Foul number 4.
And bounder number 6, pass to number 12. Back to number 6. Back to number 4.
Pasok.
Oh, miss. Johnny to Brian. Single. Casanova, better 3. Ooh, what a move. Got a 3 points, Casanova. Number 24 is
64. Home.
again,
50.
number 12, dribbling the ball. Number 12, Peter Robb. Rebound number 6 in the green. Nico. Peter Robb again, Nico. Oh, it's a black. Oh, Santos, Redondo. Money. Pass to Brian. Back to Money. Back to Money. Brian. Santos. And a foul. Foul, who's foul? Number 15.
Home player number 15. Foul number 2.
First move. In.
Score. Guest 65. Home. 50.
Another ring. Got a 2 points, number 20.
Guest 66. Home. 50.
66-15. Nicaragua applied. 6 minutes, 56 seconds. Again. Money. 2 points, number 4. Nice pass by
Score.
Brian.
Guest 68. Home. 50.
Brian to Money. Brian. Oh! In the ground. Nico. Basket. 3-point shot by number 17 in green.
Score. Guest 68.
Santa Ana.
Home. 53.
Ooh. Again by Nico. 2 points. 17.
Score. Guest
Brian,
68.
sir.
Home.
Nice
51.
pass by Casanova. Nice combination. You got it 2 points, Brian. Call, foul, 20.
20. 20.
continue.
Guest player number 20, foul number 2.
Second personal foul, number 20, Santos.
Score, guest 70, home 56.
Max.
Go, win. Number 16, number 68, out.
So mo, intense ha? Intense tuloy yan.
Kahit dito,
Score, guest 70, home 57.
Again. Single. That's another nice pass by Grace. You got a chip on.
Score, guest 72, home 57.
Oh, nice shot by number 16. 3 points.
Score, guest 72, home 60.
Again, Nico. Number 16 again. But this.
24.
Please. Oh.
24.
3 minutes, 24 seconds. Rebound by number 4.
24.
Tigani. Here's Tigani. Again. Pass to Casanova. Oh, nice combination. Casanova got it. 2 points. Number 20.
Guest 74, home
Sliding into
60.
the 16. In pedal drive. Number 12. Foul Casanova, number 24.
Guest player number 24, foul number 1. Warning for penalty. Score, guest 74, home 61.
Miss. Rebound Casanova.
24.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Game walk off.
Get a foul. Foul number 16. 16.
Role player number 16, foul number
First personal
1.
foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning to penalty.
Game clock off. Twenty-four.
Santa Ana. Oh. Yes, sir. Number 12, 2 points.
Scored. Guest 74. Home 63.
1 minute 30 seconds.
Mo!
24.
Nico to number 4.
Game clock off.
Foul number 20. Number 20. Santos.
Guest player number 20. Foul number 3. Penalty
Third
2.
personal foul. Santos.
Scored.
First
Guest
win. Number 12.
74.
1 point.
Home 64.
Kalaban Ayaw mo na sa Kobe. So, sayang. Kasi may rebound doon eh.
Hurling, the
Score.
cross.
Guest 74. Home 65. Game clock off.
Stop the clock. 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
Time out.
Time out.
Guest timeout. One timeout left.
Both team, they have one timeout left. Both team, they have one timeout left. Again, 1 minute. Score 74-65 in favor of Guam. Casanova, please.
24.
Please to Nani. Nani. Foul. Foul number 15. 1-5.
Sorry! Masisante ako sa'yo eh.
Paul number 15. Ano mo na? Ano na kanina yan?
Home player number 15. Foul number 3. Penalty 2.
First to win. 1 point, Nani. Number 4.
Score. Guest 75. Home 65.
Another way, 2 points,
Score.
Nani.
Guest 76.
14 seconds.
Home 65. 24.
3 points, number 19. In
Game
three.
clock off.
Out!
Nani.
Sauli mo!
Game clock off.
Number 6. Green. Foul.
Home player number 6. Foul number 1.
For 2! Kasi, piling kung nadayo mo.
Number 2. First two.
Score. Guest 77. Home 68.
Miss.
Game
Second
clock
ball.
off.
Pasok.
Nico. Rebound by Brian.
Out!
Foul. Foul number 19.
Game clock off. Home player number 19. Foul number 1.
Plus 9 seconds.
Bak, sino tumali sa blue? Sino tumali sa blue? Gold? Punta kayo.
Foul.
Score. Guest 78. Home 68.
Another way.
Guest 79. Home 68. Game clock off.
Rebound number 12. The final score Shelter.
Saan ka mananalo? Sa labas kayo! Sa labas! Sa labas! Dito ang mesto! Palabas! Dito lalo! Sa labas! Saan daw sila? Sa labas! Palabasin mo na! Dito tayo!
Very good. Good. On the right side. Good. Right side. Good.